Hey everyone! Can you believe it's snowing here in Washington? If you're not from Washington, it's snowing here, and I think most of us thought we were past the snow, but it's picking up as we speak right now, so I don't know what's going on. Anyways, the foundation here that I'm using is Kat Von D. I'll list all the specifics of all the products I use below, but let me tell you, this is my favorite foundation that I have ever used. The coverage is amazing and it lasts all day. So if you're looking for something like that, I highly recommend this one. So I just applied that with a foundation brush from Target as well. And now I'm moving on to concealer right here, using the light one to brighten up underneath my eyes and along my nose, and a little bit on the forehead, right below my nose and on the chin. And then I just blend that in with my finger, making sure there's no creases and that it just looks nice and flawless. Okay, so once that's all blended in, I use my bronzer and also another brush from that pack I got from Target. By the way, the pack was only like, I want to say $12.99, and I love these brushes. I love this one because I stroke with the skinny side and then I brush up wide, so it evens out really well. I love it. And the bronzer is literally just Wet n Wild from Walgreens. I think it's like $2.99, you guys. Super awesome. So yeah, I go along my cheekbones, along my nose. You can see on the outside of my forehead. And just blend that in really well. And then onto my mascara. Like I said, I'll list all the products below. I can't even remember what I use there. It's what I use every time, but I don't remember what it is. But I'll link it for you guys down below the video. And e.l.f. eyeliner. I love this e.l.f. eyeliner. It's a liquid black, but I love the tip on it. I don't like when the tip on a liquid eyeliner is too large. Like, I would rather just have to make my eyeliner thicker rather than have to make it thinner after, if that makes sense, like applying wise. So yeah, I'm just winging my eyeliner right now. And that'll take a few minutes, so we'll let that go. So this is some lip balm that I use, and it's actually a night serum, but I've been using it during the day because my lips have been super chapped. And funny thing is I actually add it to my eyebrows just like a little bit to kind of like enhance the color of them and just make my eyebrow powder stay all day, which is that Fab Brow that I'm using right now, which I love. Me and my mom always get a pack every year at the Puyallup Fair. They have a booth in like that center that they sell everything. So kind of cool. I'm pretty sure you can buy it online too. But I really, really like it, and it lasts a whole year. doesn't touch up their mascara like 50,000 times. I do, because I have to have it perfect, so don't mind all the touch-ups to my mascara. Alright, so this is a matte lip cream by NYX, I believe. And I'll list the color down below. But yeah, I just apply that all over my lips. And then I take a light powder to set it even more. And just kind of drop the color a bit. I like a little bit more nude. And the powder just adds finishing touch, I feel like. Something that I like just a bit more than the color itself. I would buy a lighter shade, but I don't have it, so I gotta make it. I do have a lipstick that I use, but it's by a different brand that is nude, but I didn't use it today.